How to send silent messages on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. Silent messages are a great feature if you don't want other person to get the notification immediately. They will only get a notification or only be able to see the notification whenever they open up Messenger. So to send in these silent messages, you can firstly open up any chat and firstly type in this /. Once you type in the /, you can see an option called silent. Just tap on the silent option. Now you can type in any message, and when you send these messages, the other person won't get a notification. Like I earlier said, they would only get the notification whenever they open up the Messenger app. If the other person is busy or in any situation where you cannot disturb them but you still need to get that message out, this is a great way of doing it. So that's the exact way on sending silent messages on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorial videos just like this.